This is Craig Trumpy with ATEC and AssetScan. Welcome back to our reoccurring video on extending reliability with IIoT. Today we'll be walking through a short demonstration of oil quality monitoring.
From the AssetScan homepage, you click the customer login, enter your user credentials and log in. Here we are able to go to Views and All Assets, and in this login I have a oil quality sensor from Discase and their subsidiary RMF Systems that is connected into AssetScan. So if we hit this triangle, we can expand. This is the oil quality sensor connected into the AssetScan that is beaming the data to the cloud. And so in the cloud environment, this is our dashboard, and we are pulling up temperature, loss factor, and the tan delta number from the oil quality sensor. This is being trended and logged in AssetScan. And so here is our history over the last day of monitoring this. This is a period when I took the monitor oil quality sensor offline to connect to the software and confirm its live readings. If we just go ahead and turn off a couple of these, if we look at temperature, AssetScan is showing the reading about 22.8 Celsius. If we look at loss factor, the loss factor is reading 0.496%. If we look at a couple other settings within AssetScan, we can see that we're reporting every hour, and we're taking a measurement every 15 minutes. So on a 1 hour basis, 4 data points will be beamed to the cloud for trending and logging. In addition, if we wanted to look at the alerts that are set in the AssetScan cloud, we can come and we can look at the loss factor settings are set per recommendations from Discase at 20 and 30% for high faults, and a -5 or a 5 on a lower scale. If we looked at the temperature alerts, this is the oil temperature, a sensor in the oil quality sensor. We're looking at faults at 70 degrees Celsius, a critical at 90 degrees Celsius. Next we'll bring in the Discase or RMF software, and we can just look at the sensor configuration. I have this device connected up to my laptop to the USB port. You can see it did not find the oil in there. I've just set it up as unknown oil. And so we don't have a reference for this particular case, but you can set it up, as you saw earlier, to a specific lubricant, which will give you more meaningful readings. And then if we look at the live readings of the device, I have the device here sitting on my desk. You can see the current readings are just set at 0 because I have not started the readings yet. I can go ahead and start the readings, and I'll go ahead and move the sensor into the oil, and you can see the 1 second update rate going into the sensor, and the sensor beginning to read the temperature and the oil quality. And you see it coming in at 4.8, 4.7% minus, and 4.6, and it's beginning to plateau out at about minus 4.5, 4.4%. So that completes our video of demonstrating the RMF Systems by Discase oil quality sensor connected to AssetScan, beaming the data to the cloud for trending and alerting. Thanks for joining, and until next time. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at AssetScan.com. Thanks for joining us today.